Hello dear students, today we've got an interesting question in trigonometry, and the question says that to find the minimum value of the absolute value of sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus cotx plus cosec x plus sec x. So you can see that all the 6 trigonometric ratios have been used, okay, and they have been added, and we have taken the absolute value of the whole thing, and we need to find the minimum value of this total expression. As we know that the trigonometric ratios are interrelated among each other, so we can use this interrelation to start with. So we can let sin x to be equal to something a and cos x to be equal to some b. Then the expression s, suppose the expression name is s, so that s will be written as mod of a plus b plus a by b plus b by a plus 1 by a plus 1 by b. And according to the assumption, we can also say that a square plus b square, that value should be equal to 1, because sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So this, on simplifying, can be written to be having a common denominator ab, and the numerator will come out to be ab into a plus b plus a square plus b square plus a plus b. Okay, and the a square plus b square part will become 1, so on simplification this will become ab into a plus b plus 1 plus a plus b divided by b, absolute value of that. Now if we let c to be a quantity which is nothing but a plus b, and a plus b is nothing but sin x plus cos x, and as we know, sin x plus cos x, if I multiply and divide by root 2, so it will become root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. So this can be clubbed using compound angle, so this will become root 2 into sin pi by 4 plus x. So from here we can see that this sin pi by 4 plus x, this particular quantity, will lie between -1 and 1 for every real value of x. So since that is getting multiplied with root 2, so we can easily say from here that c will be a quantity which will be lying between minus root 2 to plus root 2. So this is going to be the bound of the quantity c, that is minus root 2 to plus root 2. And since we have assumed c to be equal to a plus b, so naturally c square will come out to be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and as you know, we have already known that a square plus b square equal to 1, so c square will come out to be 1 plus 2ab. So from here we can write down ab also in terms of c square, so it will become c square minus 1 by 2. Now we can write down this entire expression, which we can see is that a function of two variables like a and b, that is sin x and cos x. So this whole expression now can be written in terms of a single variable, that is c, okay, which will be easy to analyze, because we know that a plus b equal to c, okay, according to our assumption, and now we have obtained that ab equal to c square minus 1. So the expression value in terms of c, if we calculate, it will come out to be, you can see that a plus b equal to c, and ab is c square minus 1 by 2. So it will become c into c square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c divided by c square minus 1 by 2. So this, on simplification, will give us c cube plus c plus 2 divided by c square minus 1. Now we need to find the minimum value of this absolute quantity. So to find the minimum value of this absolute quantity, we can do a small modification here, like the numerator can be written as c into c square minus 1, just to forcefully bring that denominator factor. The denominator factor is c square minus 1. To bring that factor in the numerator, we can modify the numerator in this way: c into c square minus 1 plus 2c plus 2. This is getting divided by c square minus 1. So this will be nothing but modulus of c plus 2 into c plus 1 divided by c square minus 1. So this c plus 1 factor will be cancelled out to give us finally, this is modulus of c plus 2 by c minus 1. Okay, now this quantity can further be written as modulus of c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1 plus 1. Okay, we are doing all this modification for the sake of simplification in the analysis part. Now here you can see that we have got c minus 1 and 2 by c minus 1. So application of am greater than equal to gm process will help us, because c minus 1 is present in above and below. So for the geometric calculation, geometric mean calculation, these two will be cancelled out. So that's why we have modified it in this way, just to analyze it using the concept of am gm concept. So now we can see that there will be two cases, like if c minus 1 quantity is positive, then we can surely say that c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1, this should be greater than equal to 2 into root 2, using the inequality arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. Okay, so arithmetic mean of these two quantity must be greater than equal to geometric mean. So according to this, we are getting that the expression S minimum is coming out to be modulus 2 root 2 plus 1. Okay, because our expression was nothing but, we can see our expression was nothing but modulus of c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1. Now this quantity can minimum coming out to be 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 plus 1. So minimum will become 2 root 2 plus 1 mod, that is 2 root 2 plus 1. And another case will be that when c minus 1 will be less than 0, in that case we know that c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1, this will come out to be less than equal to minus 2 root 2, again using that am greater than gm inequality, but after reversing the sign of c minus 1. Okay, so when c minus 1 is less than 0, then c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1 is less than equal to minus 2 root 2. So in that case we can see that S minimum, the absolute value, is coming out to be minus 2 root 2 plus 1. So in the process we are getting a value that is 2 root 2 minus 1, which is even lesser than this particular value. So since we need to calculate the absolute minimum value of this expression, so we can say that this value 2 root 2 minus 1 will be the actual minimum value of this particular expression, because you can see that this c minus 1 plus 2 by c minus 1, it can take lesser value than minus 2 root 2. So if I put a lesser value than minus 2 root 2 here, this absolute value will actually increase than this, will be more than this particular value. So this is going to be the minimum value. So your answer is going to be 2 root 2 minus 1. So thank you for watching this video. You can email me or contact me if you're having any kind of question or doubt. And in the meantime, please subscribe us on YouTube and like us on Facebook to get the video updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.